Okay, so let's look at what is an adverb. What is it? So traditionally, adverbs are words that have ended in ly. They talk about how things are done, easily, fast, recklessly, and beyond. But they describe how things were done as adverbials. Adverbial phrases. Essentially, words and phrases we use within the sentence that has an adverb. So place, here, away, somewhere. We are going somewhere. Time, soon, still, already. She will soon be here. How it's done, soon be here. Manner, easily, fast, slow, easily. You can listen to this lesson easily. I can speak fast, slow, but I can also speak slow. Okay? But also they modify adjectives. And this is where the traditional sense of the definition of adverbs comes from, ly. Because things like easily, fast, not fastly, easily, suddenly, suddenly. Suddenly. Suddenly appeared, suddenly talked, suddenly walked. Adjectives, or even verbs, so suddenly walked. Yes, so suddenly talked, suddenly walked. With verbs as well, but also modifying adjectives, so describing things, so rather easy. Easily spoke, easily dressed, easily walked. Very attractive, very tall, very weird, very foreign. Adverbs help describe how things were done, and they complement, they modify, they work with adjectives and adverbs. Very, very elastic, very soft, easily made, easily written, easily spoken about, still there, still talking, still tall, still fast, and beyond. So adverbs describe how things were done. They expand the meaning of how things were done, and they explain it. Easily walked, easily talked, still elastic, still tall, and beyond. How cool is that? Let's keep going.